garlic, onion, carrots, and bell pepper, our chicken, and our noodles. Salt and black pepper. Add little soy sauce. My pancit is done. Baka magtaka kayo, sa pancit ko walang repolyo, walang sayote kasi hindi ako naglagay kasi yung iba hindi kumakain ng repolyo.